Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I hope you enjoy this salad that I'm making today. It's a cucumber, strawberry, honey, balsamic vinegar salad. Okay, it's very simple to make, the simplest salad you can make, not too many ingredients, and it's so refreshing, so good. Everybody will love it. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and I already washed all my strawberries, and now I'm gonna go ahead and cut them, take off the stem and cut them, and the cucumber as well. I already washed it really good. What I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna peel the whole thing. And the recipe, the original recipe says to take out the seeds, but actually I like the seeds in the cucumber, and I'm probably the only one that's gonna be eating this salad, so I'm not gonna take out the seeds from this cucumber. Okay, so let me go ahead and start by cutting the strawberries up. I used 10 strawberries, 10 of them. And now the cucumber, I'm gonna peel, partially peel. Okay, that should be good. And like I said, I am gonna leave the seed. Okay, so now in they go as well. Try to separate them as much as possible. Okay, there we have the strawberries and the cucumbers. I might put a little bit more strawberries, maybe like 2 or 3 more. Okay, so I added 3 additional strawberries to make it an even dozen. So an entire cucumber and 12 strawberries. Now the balsamic vinegar, and a good amount of that. To cover it all, just to cover the entire salad. And honey. Just a good old drizzle of the honey. And also gonna put a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Pinch of salt. And I also wanted to add some mint to it, and I think I am going to. This recipe is from Publix. It's the Simple Apron Recipe. But like I said, I mean, the cucumbers, they said to take out the seeds, and it does not take mint. I think mint will give it a little kick. I already washed these leaves, so I'm just drying it with a paper towel. And let's put 3 maybe. just sprinkle them on there. Mixing to make sure that all the strawberries and all the cucumbers are covered with the honey and the balsamic vinegar. Okay, and that should do it. That should do it right there. So I'm gonna serve it in this little bowl. Okay, there you have it. That is the strawberry cucumber balsamic vinegar honey salad. Very refreshing and quick and simple. Not too many ingredients. Thank you for watching, and please stay safe and may God bless you all. Until the next time, bye bye.